You won't believe this. This Shorts channel gained over 800,000 subscribers in just 4 months. It joined YouTube on February 9th, 2024, and its total video views have already reached an astonishing 140 million. New videos easily get hundreds of thousands, even millions of views. According to Social Blade, this channel earns up to $70,000 a month, with an annual income reaching an incredible $900,000. Similar videos have also gone viral on TikTok. Seize this opportunity and start now. You too can double your income. Let's take a look at one of their videos first.
Question number 1, name any fast food chain. Subscribe if you believe in God. If you picked Taco Bell, you already lost. Avoid saying the same thing as me or you are out. Question 2, who is the second person when you tap on Share Then More? You can get a free revive by pressing the like button. I'll guess your parents. Question 3, name any SpongeBob character. If you said Sandy Cheeks, you're out. Question 4, hold the comment button and choose an emoji. I know you picked this emoji. Easy snipe. Question 5, comment your battery percentage right now. If it is between 25 to 40%, leave before I kick you out. This last question is impossible. If you lose, you have to subscribe. Question 6, pick a number between 1 and 5. I'll pick 5. Subscribe.
How does it feel? A bit interesting? A bit stupid? But you can't stop watching, right? That's its magic. These quiz shorts are different from the usual Would You Rather or other general knowledge quizzes you've seen before. They feature a specific cartoon character as the host, adding more fun and aligning perfectly with the entertainment value of short videos. The biggest feature of these quizzes is that they have no correct answers, which enhances viewer interaction, increases watch time, and boosts completion rates. Naturally, the views go up as well. I also found out that this guy sells his video tutorials as a course for $29, but today you don't need to spend a dime. All you need is to like or subscribe, and I'll walk you through how to make a similar video in just a few minutes. Step 1. We need to rewrite the script. For this step, we'll use two tools, DupDub and ChatGPT. First, copy the URL of the original video. Open DupDub, the website link is in the description box, log in or sign up for a free account. Click on AI Transcription, select YouTube, and paste the original video URL in the box below. Click Transcribe, Confirm, and wait a moment for it to finish. Once done, click Copy Text. Next, paste the text into a document and adjust the formatting. This will make it easier for ChatGPT to understand and rewrite. Now, head over to ChatGPT and tell it, please help me rewrite the script below, making sure that each question and answer is different from the original, but the tone remains the same. Wait a few seconds for ChatGPT to work its magic. Okay, now we have our very own script. Step 2, we need to convert the script into a voiceover. Open Top Media AI. You can find the website link in the description box. Log in or sign up for a free account. Click Try It Now. Then click here to select Voice. Next, click on Animation. There are many different animation characters to choose from. Pick anyone you like. For example, I want to choose Patrick Star. Click Select. Here, you can set the parameters. I want his voice to be more exaggerated to make it more fun, so I'll adjust the exaggeration value to 60%. Then, paste the script that ChatGPT rewrote into this box. Click Audition and wait a moment to hear the result. If you like the voice, click Download here. Step 3. We need to get the video background, overlays, and background music. This step is very simple, as we can find everything directly on YouTube and Google. First, search for Minecraft copyright-free video on YouTube. Choose one you like and download it. Next, search for video game BGM copyright-free and pick a background music track you think suits the video, then download it. Then, search for Timer Green Screen and select one that comes with a ticking sound and download it. Additionally, we need a character. Search Patrick Star PNG on Google, choose a PNG image you like, and save it. Finally, let's move on to step 4, editing. We'll use CapCut for this step. It's currently the easiest editing software to use and very beginner-friendly. If you have no editing experience, just follow the steps I demonstrate, and I'll slow down to make sure you can follow along clearly. First, import all the materials we prepared earlier. Drag the voiceover and video background to their respective tracks. Split the excess part of the video and delete it, then adjust the volume of the voiceover. Next, we need to insert the timers at the appropriate spots. Our script requires inserting the timer 6 times. Therefore, we need to split the voiceover, but since the first and second timers have accompanying voiceover, we only need to split for the remaining 4 timers. Zoom in on the timeline. Find the right spots. Click to split. Make sure you have the voiceover selected first and repeat this operation. Then, place the timer at the corresponding spots. Select the timer, click Remove Background, choose Chroma Key, click the color picker, pick the green background, then adjust its intensity to 50. Copy and paste the timer to the correct places. Next, we'll insert the character. Drag Patrick's star to the track and select it. Adjust its size and position, and add an entry and exit animation. Copy and paste it between the timer gaps, just like this. Pretty straightforward. Now let's add some sound effects to Patrick's entrances to enrich the video. Click Audio, then Sound Effects. Search for Whoosh and drag it to each of Patrick's entrances. Of course, you can choose any sound effect you like. Next, we need to generate captions. Click Captions, then Auto Captions, select the language, and click Generate. Position the captions in the center of the video, preset the style, and add animation effects. Okay, we're almost there. Finally, add the question and answer captions. We have 6 questions, so we need to add 6 text boxes. Select all of them and drag them to the end of the timeline. Change the text and place them properly. Adjust the style and color. Then split the text where each answer appears and change the question to the answer. For example, when Patrick gives his first answer here, split the text and write the answer, then align it to the left. Repeat this operation for the remaining 5 questions. Finally, select all 6 question and answers. Choose your favorite font, adjust the alignment, then drag the background music to the bottom track. Make some minor adjustments. And you're ready to export the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that you can always come back and re-watch it while you're editing. Let's take a look at the final product. See you next time.
Question number 1. Name any coffee shop chain. Subscribe if you love your family. If you chose Starbucks, you already lost. Avoid saying the same thing as me, or you are out. Question 2. Who is the third contact when you tap on share, then more? You can earn a free revive by hitting the like button. I'll guess it's your best friend. Question 3. Name any character from The Simpsons. You said Homer Simpson, you're out. Question 4. Hold the comment button and select an emoji. I know you picked this emoji. Gotcha. Question 5. Comment your current battery percentage. If it is between 10 to 20%, leave before I kick you out. This last question is impossible. If you lose, you have to subscribe. Question 6. Pick a number between 6 and 10. I'll pick 10. Subscribe.